This video demonstrates CancerMapper, an exploratory tool for cancer studies and mutated proteins. At first, a complete network of 26 cancer studies from CBioPortal is presented to users. Node sizes indicate the number of mutated proteins in the study. We color-coded vertices in the network based on their cancer types. For example, blue for bladder cancer, orange for breast cancer, and green for liver cancer. Links connect related cancers based on the common mutated proteins. Link thicknesses indicate the number of mutated proteins that two cancer studies have in common. When users select a cancer study by clicking on a node in the cancer network, a bubble graph displays all proteins highly mutated within that cancer study. Users can also switch between biological assembly of proteins and their names using a checkbox. Parallel coordinates at the bottom highlight the correlation of prominent dimensions in the selected cancer study. In particular, each polyline represents a patient in the selected study. The data are retrieved from CBioPortal Web API on the fly. When users select a link in the cancer network, bubble chart shows proteins which are mutated in both studies. CancerMapper allows user to filter data through a protein list where highly muted proteins can be found on the top of the list. This drop-down list allows users to select multiple proteins. For example, by selecting the first 4 genes, biologists can highlight cancer studies driven by these 4 selected proteins. As depicted, these studies belong to bladder and breast cancers. User can also filter the network based the number of common proteins by a slider. For instance, by moving the slider to the right, only cancer studies with more commonly mutated proteins are displayed.